In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access display. Then scroll down again and click on refresh rate. Following that, you can click on default to apply it, or custom below default. If you decided to select custom, click on refresh rate and apply one of those options from the pop-up. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!